Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and today we're going to do a good old-fashioned makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to do a look using the Morphe 35N palette. It's really dirty. The truth is, I'm now trying, this year I'm trying for every look that I do to really just focus on using one palette so then I can post the content of that one palette and just not have to tag like 3 palettes, because when you tag 3 eye palettes, the brands that are looking at your posts, looking to potentially repost you, are looking at you like, did you really think this was gonna work? You just gonna catfish your way into tagging 3 palettes and have 3 brands possibly repost you. Anyways, all that to say that I get these brands, it must be rough sometimes. So today I'm gonna use this palette because I haven't used it in a long time, and I'm trying to make sure I'm using all my makeup and not just having it lay around, because I'm really good at that. First things first, I'm the release. So how are you guys doing? School is back in session and everybody's happy about it. Not really. Like, I'm not happy about it, I'm not unhappy about it. Like, you know, it's the course of life. Like, we go to school, Jesus Christ, and then we're on break, and then we go back to school again, and then guess what? We're on break again. So can I really complain? Not really. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, this one right here. I've been loving this. This is only a mini size, but next time I purchase, you best believe it's gonna be a big size because she's really the move. She really is the move. But yeah, so how are you guys doing? How has your 2020 been so far? Y'all saw this World War III thing? I'm so confused. Like, we just entered this year and y'all are already just going. If you see it looks a little patchy up there, it's because I started getting psoriasis on my eyebrows. I only had it on my scalp. Now I have it on my brows, which is less than satisfactory, but it's okay. It happens. I'm not that upset about it. Let me be really real. It'd be like that sometimes. I'm going to take this shade right here from the Morphe palette. Listen, I know these used to have names. Now, if you ask me where the names are, that might be something a little more difficult for me to answer because I don't know. But we're just gonna go with it. As I usually do, darling, in my typical fashion, we're gonna pack that shade into the whole crease. By the way, guys, I just want to wish you the best for 2020. Like, I know I've had a few videos up in 2020, but I genuinely just want to wish you the best because, listen, a new year is often like an opportunity for people to just start new, because it's like a mental thing. You're gonna be like, okay, it's a new year, it's time for me to start over again. So I just want to wish you the best, all the happiness, health, love, success, anything that you want to happen to you or to happen for you in 2020, then I wish you just that. And anything that you don't want to happen to you, I wish that does not happen to you. Okay, so I have the purest intentions in my little heart. I want you guys to be happy as usual. Just wishing you the best. Have goals, have aspirations, and dream big. Like, don't belittle your dreams just so that nobody looks at you crazy. On the contrary, if somebody looks at you crazy, that's when you know you're doing it right, because you're dreaming big enough that other people can't even fathom it. So anyways, I had my first class of the semester this morning. Wasn't easy, damn. Like, I was just sitting in class like, Jesus Christ, we're going through this whole thing again. But like, it's okay. Like, it's okay. It's 100% okay. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of blended the edges out of the purple just a tiny whittle bit, because, you know, I just don't want nobody to come for me. It's because when you put the next shade on top, I haven't done this in too long. When you put the next shade on top, it's gonna allow it to blend better. So, and to be seamless. So next shade I'm going to take is this beautiful shade right here. This is such a pretty shade. I love it. It has depth. It's kind of a cranberry, if you will. I'm gonna take the shade I just pointed to you on an e.l.f. detail crease brush, which is a super tiny, small, itty bitty brush. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna lightly buff it over the edges. I'm gonna try to do it so you guys can see. Like usual, I just want to apologize. The eye part of the makeup tutorial is always the less chatty one because I need to focus and make sure this makeup isn't snatched. We're going over the dark purple we put and just slightly above, just so we can have the pinky cranberry shade blend out. See, that's why I really like this palette actually. By the way, I am going to do a soft glam tutorial soon enough. TikTok is a disease, y'all. I decided TikTok is a disease. Like, it's such an addictive social media. I'm gonna take this beautiful, it's like a burnt pumpkin orange. Like, it's not a bright, vivid, almost neon. It's really a pumpkin orange. And I find the shade to be so pretty. I'm going to take the orange shade on a BH number. It was erased, but it's this one for the Mogul set. Jesus Christ. See, when I love my brushes, I really do be loving on them because you cannot see which brush it is. And we're just gonna blend the orange right here. I'm not even done with it right now and I just love it. I'm not gonna cut the crease off camera. I'm gonna cut it on camera to show you guys. I'm trying to not be loud because I noticed I'm very, very, very loud in my audios when I edit. Kind of embarrassing, but we're just gonna improve. Listen, this is about improving. So I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 00, which is the white concealer. And I'm not gonna take a huge amount of this because let me show you what we finna do. I'm going to take my Morphe M224, which is what I use to carve out my brows, carve out my crease, everything. This is my forever brush. I have to buy so many of this because this is the greatest. Oh god, I need to get closer to do this. Okay, you might. I don't know if you can see what I did. Created the outline of a crease. What I'm gonna do next is take a Q-tip. This is the magic tool of God, and I'm going to take the Bioderma Sensibio makeup removing micellar solution, but a little bit of micellar water, rub it on my hands so there's not too much on there, and I'm just gonna literally wipe out the area underneath the crease that I cut. Right here, as you can see, it's cut, and I'm gonna apply the primer where I would have carved the crease. Where's my brush? Coralie, keep up. I'm gonna take this shimmer right here. I'm going to take this shimmer right here and then this shimmer, and we're gonna just ombre these from the orange to the pink cranberry to the purple. But I'm going to leave a space between where I cut the crease and the shadows, which if you don't understand, just look and you'll get it, okay? Like so. Then I'm going to go ahead with my little cranberry moment. Ah, these shades are so pretty! And what I'm gonna now do, because I've packed the shades, is I'm gonna blend them out because the shimmers are actually pretty easy to blend out. You're gonna have fun doing this, man. So as our shimmers are blended out, this looks beautiful, stunning. I'm just gonna make sure it's super clean. We just want it to be as white as the Hype House. And we're gonna leave this space kind of empty, like this is just kind of cute, you know, we're just gonna keep her like this. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back to get onto the base. So I did both eyes, now we're gonna do the base. I'm gonna start with the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer, and I'm going to put it all over my face. It literally, like, this is what it looks like. I don't know if I've ever used this on camera, but you know, she's special. She's like a special texture, but we do like her. For foundation and concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation as well as the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I saw Jackie do that. She would just like put the product on her face, not blend it yet, and just like spray some. This is the anti-shine fixing spray, which I shine, so let's just mix it in with the foundation to make the foundation more long-lasting. I'm legit going to bed, so I don't even know if this is gonna work. I'll try it one day. I actually have to wear my makeup for a long time, but yeah. Have you guys watched my favorites of 2019? It's honestly a really nice list. I feel like the more and more I learn about makeup, the more things that I do like So it's a little difficult, you know, to just be like, oh my god, like I only liked these few products. Like that's a lie. I did not only like the products I talked about in the video. But I looked at my makeup collection, like what if all of this disappeared and only a few items stayed? Which ones would I really like to stay in? Those were basically it. And I tried to not base it on money because obviously, you know, the most expensive thing you bought, you're gonna want it to stay in your makeup room. This Too Faced foundation is just so good. I'm currently editing my video and I just heard that I said I love this Too Faced foundation, which I do like the formula, but today is the day after Nikki's coming out video on her channel, and some very transphobic comments were made by the owner's sister about Nikki, and transphobia is just something that I do not stand for. Therefore, I will not be featuring any Too Faced products on my channel anymore. And so I'm sorry if this video or any other one that was pre-filmed is talking about Too Faced product. Thank you, and I'm sorry again. I haven't been using beauty blenders that much lately. I'm going to show you how I've been blending out my eye, but first I'm going to show you the powder that I use. This is the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. I love this powder so much, it's really good. But yeah, so I always start with the edges. And I'll start blending out the edges right here. Okay, now that these are nicely blended, I don't know if you can see there's no demarcation between the concealer and my cheek. Also guys, please, I'm being super consistent with my Instagram, so make sure you're following me on there. And also make sure you're following me on my TikTok, because TikTok is really fun. It's really distracting. It's really addictive, but I like it. It's quite nice. I'm going to use the Kaja Beauty, the For Feisty Cheek Stamp. I love this. It's so freaking beautiful, and I think it's gonna go perfect with today's look, so I'm just gonna... I'm sure you've seen this, like it's such a beautiful freaking product. I'm just gonna blend it out with this brush. I'm gonna tell you what this is. This is the Firma 103 brush, and I got this in an Ipsy bag. Next thing we're gonna do is bronzer, and I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Stalkr bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. This is a mini size, but I am definitely gonna buy a full size of this because it's so good, and it's so nice. It's so nice. By the way, like I was gonna lay my edges, but I'm going to bed, so I don't want to lay my edges. I know that's not cute. If you're watching Riverdale, are you shook? Because I am like literally traumatized. This is the Tarte blush in the shade Prize. This was like a holiday set. I got this as a gift, which I'm actually thankful for, even though it's dark, but it's this blush right here. And I'm just gonna put this on my cheekies. It has kind of like a pink, almost mauve-y undertone, which is quite nice. And apparently these last very long, so. For highlighter, I'm going to take the shade Conceited from the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powders. And I'm going to highlight the living Jesus out of myself. Oh, it's dark though. Coco. What is that? And I always connect right here. I connect right here because it gives me such a beautiful effect. You know, everything good that can be about a highlighter, this highlighter pretty much is. However, Conceited is a little dark. It's not summer anymore, and I thought I was cute. So I'm going to take the Amrezy X88 highlighter. This one is discontinued, but just take any lighter highlighter that you have. I'm just gonna make sure I top it so it kind of looks good even if I'm not in the light. Like it doesn't look too shadowy. Yeah, I'm gonna put my lashes and I'll be right back to do the lips because I like doing that. Alright, as you can see, I've put my lashes on. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills gorgina lashes. In my inner waterline, I don't know if you can see, like if I look like this. See, I put some gold. It's the Sista. It's called Sistar. The Sista Ultimate Define Gel Liner, Longwear Waterproof Gel Liner in the shade Bright Bronze. It's beautiful. I love it. Let me swatch it for you real quick. Yes, it's this right here. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's very warm, very golden. I wanted to use it on my on my hair. Oh, can you see that? We're gonna take two NYX matte lipsticks. We're gonna take the one in this shade Siren to do the contour of the lip, and we're gonna take the shade Whipped Caviar. Put in the center. Jesus Christ, Coralie, today's been a rough day. I'm going to take the shade Tiramisu in the NYX Butter Gloss. These glosses are honestly some of the greatest things to ever grace the face of the earth. I'm just gonna... This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section down below other video suggestions or things you'd like to see me do. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put right up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel. We love you and we want to see you stay. I am so grateful for you guys. Have a great day, a great 2020 year. I wish y'all the best, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.